Welcome to part 80 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning how to write emails in English. Emails are essential for work, study, and daily life, and the level of formality matters. Let's start with formal emails. A formal email starts with a proper greeting. Dear Mr. Smith or Dear Ms. Johnson. If you don't know the name, Dear Sir or Madam. The opening line should state your purpose. I am writing to inquire about. I am writing with regard to your recent advertisement. I would like to apply for the position of. The body is clear, polite, and professional. I would be grateful if you could send me. Please find attached my CV for your consideration. I look forward to hearing from you. Close formally, yours sincerely, if you know the name. Yours faithfully, if you don't know the name. Now, informal emails. Start with, Hi, Anna, or Hey, Tom. Hope you're well, or How are things? The tone is friendly and relaxed. Just wanted to say, quick question, do you know if? Let me know what you think. Close informally, best wishes, or speak soon, or take care. The main difference, formal is structured and distant. Informal is conversational and warm. Choose your tone based on your relationship with the reader. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.